Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to set up your USB drive so you can transfer photos, videos and files from your MacBook to your Windows computer and vice versa, Windows back to Mac. So what we'll do first is plug this USB drive into the MacBook. I have an extension dock here, so I'll plug that in here. And if we look on the desktop of the MacBook, you can see the drive has appeared. Now if you don't see that, simply go to Go, come down to Computer, then you'll see it here on the left hand side. Click on it and you'll see that I have some data in here. Now if you have data in your drive, please copy it to your desktop or documents folder, wherever you wish, because what we're going to do is format this drive, and that will mean any data that's on the drive will be deleted, gone. So I'm going to copy my data folder to my desktop. And here it is backed up. So next I will right click on the drive, then go to Erase Disk. Here you can give the disk a different name. Let's call it Transfer. Next we have some formats. It's defaulted to APFS, however we want to use exFAT, and the reason being is that this is legible by both Windows and Macs, and there's no limit to file size transfers. So once we've selected exFAT, we go to Erase. Are you sure you want to erase? We'll say Erase. We'll give this a few moments. And you can see the drive has now been erased. Just here, it's called Transfer, and same here, Transfer. So let's copy a photo onto this drive called Transfer, and let's copy this file to a Windows computer. I'll now place the USB drive into the Windows computer. The File Explorer launches the D drive, Transfer, and here we can see that file. I'll simply hold and drag to the desktop and the photo has been transferred. So that's how you prepare your USB drive on a MacBook so you can transfer photos, videos and files from your Mac to your Windows and vice versa. I hope you found this useful. Please give the video a thumbs up as it really helps me out. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.